Sum number 14, one of the important sum. We can find this sum very easily, no problem. They given a matrix, they given matrix to prove summation of k equal to 1 to n. Summation means we need to add determinant. They are not given the symbol determinant. They given the word determinant. A power k is equal to 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. So first take, this is a, this is a. I am going to take, first this is a. I will take a. A is nothing but 1 to alpha 1 by 2. So I am going to find determinant of a. Determinant of a is my determinant of a. I can write in word itself determinant of a. How can I determine? I want to put minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. I am going to put 1 by 2 the whole square. I am not going to put 1 by 4. I am going to put 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square. 0 to alpha is 0. So the answer is going to be 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square. Next I need to find determinant of a square. But here a square is not going to find, there is no a square, so I am going to find a square first. What is going to be our a square? A square is nothing but a into a. A square is nothing but a into a. So 1 by 2 alpha 0 and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 alpha 0 and 1 by 2. Multiply. If I am going to multiply row and column, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 the whole square. Alpha into 0 is 0. We don't need to put. Next, this one 1 by 2 alpha is nothing but 1 by 2 alpha. This is alpha into 1 by 2. This row, this column over. Next, this row 0 into 1 by 2 0. 1 by 2 and 0 is nothing but 0. Next, 0 into alpha is 0. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square. Close the bracket. This is a square. Next I need to find determinant of a square. Determinant of a square is nothing but determinant of a square is equal to, I need to put minus, I need to multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 the whole square becomes 1 by 2 whole power 4 and going to be 0 into n is going to be 0. Answer is 1 by 2 whole power 4. Similarly 1 by determinant of a cube is nothing but determinant of a cube. This is 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 whole power 4, 1 by 2 whole power 6. So like I not multiply and use this 1 by 2 whole power 6. Now I will take this value, determinant of a power k. So summation of k is equal to 1 to n, determinant of a power k. Apply the value k is equal to 1. Determinant of a power 1. First apply k is equal to 1 up to n. Next, determinant of a square. Next, after 1, after 2, I need to apply 3. Determinant of a cube goes on. What is the final answer of k? K is equal to 1 to n. Determinant of a power n. This is the final answer, a power n. What is the determinant of a power 1? Determinant of a power 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 the whole square. Is determinant of a power 1. Determinant of a square is nothing but 1 by 2 whole power 4. This is 1 by 2 whole power 6 plus goes on, leave it as it is. This is in the form of GP. This is in the form of sum of GP. This is sum of GP. Sum of GP. Here a is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square. A is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square, nothing but 1 by 4. A. R is nothing but T2 by T1. I need to divide this one. So 1 by 2 whole power 4 divided by 1 by 2 whole square becomes 1 by 2 whole square, nothing but this is also 1 by 4. R is also 1 by 4. R is also 1 by 4. A is also 1 by 4. Therefore, what is the formula? You know, the formula is nothing but S suffix n is equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. This is the formula for sum of GP. Sum of GP formula. So equal to, so put equal to here a. What is a here? 1 by 4, open the bracket, 1 minus R. What is R here? R is also 1 by 4 whole power n. I need to put n as it is, divided by 1 minus R. 1 minus R is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, open the bracket, 1 minus 1 power n is 1, 4 power n is 4 power n, divided by 4 into 1 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4. 4 we can cancel. So what is the remaining here? 1 divided by 3. 1 by 3, open the bracket, 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. Hence proved. This only we need to prove. Finally, we have proved this sum. Thank you.